Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LinkedIn Sales Navigator from account settings. To uninstall LinkedIn Sales Navigator from your account settings, first, log in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the homepage. Click on your profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select the Settings and Privacy option. In the Settings page, look for the Account tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Account tab to expand the options. Next, locate the Subscriptions and Payments section. Click on Subscriptions and Payments to view your active subscriptions. Find the Sales Navigator subscription listed on the page. Next to the Sales Navigator subscription, click on the Manage option. You will be directed to a new page with the details of your Sales Navigator subscription. Look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription to follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Once you've confirmed, your Sales Navigator subscription will be uninstalled. You will receive a confirmation message notifying you of the cancellation. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation from LinkedIn regarding the cancellation. After completing these steps, you have successfully uninstalled LinkedIn Sales Navigator from your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.